Students, we see in the final act of the play, the 12th night, that the plot is now going to be unfolded. Here we see that the Duke, with Viola in attendance, meets Antonio, who, pointing to Viola, tells the story of his friendship with Sebastian. Olivia enters and once more, refusing the Duke's love, arouses his jealousy, for he sees in Cesario the rival who has got what he wanted. Viola is only too willing to remain with him, even if it means dying as the victim of his jealousy. So we see Olivia is bewildered by this defection of the lover, who has just plighted his loyalty, and the priest is called to confirm her statement that Viola and she have just contracted an eternal bond of love. This is because Olivia thinks that this Viola is Sebastian, because they were very much resembling, being brother and sister. So this disguisement and misunderstanding carries on, and we see again Sir Andrew's arrival with the split head, followed by that of Sir Toby in a similar condition, only adds to the confusion, for they see in Viola the dangerous assailant who is responsible for their wounds. At this moment, Sebastian enters, and the reunion of brother and sister is followed by explanation and reconciliation. Olivia is happy to keep Sebastian as her betrothed. Means Olivia marries with Sebastian, and the Duke transfers his affection to Viola. Now, this is the culmination and the climax where we see that each and every pair, whether it is Olivia loving Sebastian or Duke who loved Olivia previously, but now he finds that Viola is his true love. So the Duke transfers his affection to Viola, and the play comes very close to end. And we see the clown who enters with Malvolio's letter, and the plot is exposed, and the plot of making Malvolio fool is exposed, and Malvolio now appears as the spirit of denunciation, and he vows vengeance on all, and he disappears almost immediately from this scene of love and mating. So in the end, we see this romantic comedy ends in a happy and joyful manner. Everyone gets his choice, and an atmosphere of mirth is there at the end. And in this romantic comedy, we see Viola as the most important character. The other important characters are Olivia and the Duke, and there is a comic scene of Malvolio's coming in cross garters and yellow stockings, and we see the clown and his dialogues, the fool, and we see the disguisements of Olivia there. And we can say that Shakespeare was very much successful to make this comedy full of a play full of entertainment for the Elizabethan audience, and the dressings were very much affluent that time, and we can see that Shakespeare made this drama very rich by his comedies. His other notable comedies are All Is Well That Ends Well, Midsummer Night's Dream, and the other, and this one, Twelfth Night. So, students, you just please read this text of the Twelfth Night and try to understand in line what I have explained, and you just try to write down the character sketch of Voila, and the notes regarding the character sketch will be supplied to you on WhatsApp. So let us discuss some critical other questions in our next class. Till then, you just read. Thank you very much. Bye.